we're not gonna make it through the day together. All right, well, road trip day. So we're going out to another YouTuber's place. He's actually gonna weld up the radiator. I'm gonna put a steam port, I think, put in it in the back there. And he's got a bunch of old hot rods. We're gonna check those out. So his YouTube is Half-Ass Customs. I'll put a link in the description or something like that, or a tag. But go check him out on Instagram, Facebook. He's a good guy. And yeah, it's too early for him to be drunk, so it should be a good one. All right, we made it. It's sunny out. So this is Half-Ass Customs World Headquarters. Man, he's got some cool stuff everywhere you look. He's got a couple of dogs that
Look at his dog.
Danielle loves.
Look at his dogs.
They're pretty friendly. But he's got my radiator inside. He's gonna weld it up for me because he's a nice guy. I paid him in a couple of beers. So I'll show you inside. He's got a bunch of cool projects in here.
You did lick me that time.
So here we are inside. Really cool projects. This is Brent.
Hello.
So you gotta go follow him on the YouTube. Like I said, we mentioned the truck there, Half-Ass Customs. We'll put a link below, above, whatever way. So this is what he just did. What year is this thing?
This is a 27.
2017. He started with not much. Follow him on Instagram and all you'll see. Everything is LS powered, so some of you guys will love him, most of you will hate him, sounds of it. It's cool. I dig it. He did a whole build on it.
Yeah.
Chopped it, put it all together, did all sorts of things to this thing, eh? Like built the old exhaust, whatever it may be. Like you did the chassis on this one too or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
So whole new chassis, whole new everything. So
It's all made from junk.
homemade from junk. Treasures.
Recycled, they call it. Recycled.
Dog break. That's what he's currently working on. He actually just put a video up just a couple days ago. I guess he chopped it, what, last year or something like that? And you're just finishing it up? Or?
This year.
Oh, it's just this year?
Yeah.
He works faster than I do. I get motivation from him, but he's just finishing all this. It's awesome. He's going to do a three window, change the drip wheels, all sorts of stuff like that. But
It's the plan.
that's the plan.
They'll probably change.
But I'm going to get him to fix up this radiator for me, and we'll film that maybe. So we're on the other side of the shop here. He's got himself a little paint booth. And he actually built his own plasma table. This guy's got some ingenuity. Feed rollers, stuff like that. English wheel. What I love when I came over here, he built his own little shrinkers. And over here, he's got a, hopefully it's not too dark in here, but he built himself for louvers. So it's kind of cool. So he did his own himself. So he says I can use any of this stuff whenever I want. The problem is it's about an hour drive. So an hour you're driving each way, you're not wrenching. This is cool, an old Chevy truck he built. And he actually ended up putting the 12 valve in it. Which is neat, it's got vintage air and all sorts of stuff. So his stuff's all rough looking, but done very, very well. A lot of factory things. So it turned out great. LS motors. He's got it all. If I had the space, I'd have it too. I really dig this Model T. I got him working. Danielle's petting the dog. He's welding up my radiator. And I'm just messing with his stuff, but how cool this stuff is. Everything works, interior lights. Man, this thing it's tiny in here. But it's cool. Speakers and everything. Hook your scan tool up. Yeah, I like it out here. So this is the genius's work. Just welded up a nice little piece of scrap aluminum. Tapped it for me, so I just got to go to a hardware store and right in there will be all good. With a warranty, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Farmer's warranty. Out the door, into the driveway.
That's a long driveway. All right, well, I've got the radiator all welded up back in the truck, but gonna go walk the yard. He's got a couple little outbuildings, but just stuff everywhere.
The dream.
Parts of stuff. He doesn't know it yet, but he's gonna have to sell me some of it. I don't even know what I want yet, but we'll find something.
So sell it, but it all has to stay here.
Yeah, until I'm ready for it. And maybe you could do a little welding on it while I'm waiting. So this is his last project. He's finished up this summer, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, I drove this one all summer when I didn't break it.
And this thing's turbo LS,
Yeah, I'll show you.
all and everything. This one you found a few motors in it, eh?
Yeah. Due to bad tuning.
That's how you learn.
Yep.
Oh, this thing's neat.
Unfortunately, I don't learn very easy.
Yeah, motors are cheap and your time is free.
Yep.
This thing's got like air conditioning, like everything on it, eh?
Air conditioning, cruise. Yeah.
Chop, air ride, all sorts of stuff on it. Fancy interior, actually, even.
Almost. I'm gonna redo it this winter yet. I don't have enough green in it.
Not enough green. I dig this thing. His standards are much higher than mine. I dig it. But of all the cars,
I used to have lower standards.
yeah, this is my favorite. Old Roadster.
Yeah, it's a 30? I can't remember. 30 or 31 Model A.
30-ish.
Yeah.
Probably started at one and ended on different, depending on whatever parts you had.
No, it was a bunch of pile of parts that I had. The hood's actually an old Buick hood that I just louvered because it was rusty and it matched the rest of it.
It's cool. I want one of these. They just changed all our rules here, so this is now actually legal in the city. He just rished it a few years, I guess, out here, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it ends up on the channel one of these days, because I love these things, but...
Yeah, I'll come back in the summer.
all sorts of stuff. Oh, carefully asked for there. Yeah. Well, that's wicked out here. And then you got a whole bunch of other stuff in the back here, eh?
Yeah, I got a little everywhere.
We'll walk over there.
I think
So
this
it's got-
was a 55.
55 International, but it's been put onto a, what do you say,
A
2000?
chassis swapped, so it's on a 2000 Chevy Silverado.
So it's all LS and all those things.
Yeah, I'm a wuss, so I like my command start and stuff in the winter.
Fancy gauges and stuff inside.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend those. They didn't work out well.
Satellite radio. This is a cool daily driver here. And this is a what?
This is, I think it was a 42 Fargo, or 46. I can't remember which. But this is the wife's truck. This one, yeah, we put a Nova clip. It's got a LS powered as well.
Just everything is LS powered here. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I broke all my small blocks, so I had to do something.
Just ran out of them. That's cool. And then this is just, sun's probably gonna be terrible here, but just spare part row.
Yeah. Now, there's a spare parts. The wife's other car there, so that's a 64 Buick, the Sabre. You gotta lift. It's a lift. It's one of those stupid things.
Oh yeah.
You gotta play that game with the lift and not lift.
This thing's wicked.
I love this. This is wild.
See, we wouldn't let us leave without driving something. So we're gonna take this little hot rod you built. It is. It's a little small.
This is the exact right size for me. You're a little cramped.
I like it.
This is awesome. I actually really like the red tint, is fun.
Very good. Hard to see a little bit, but... yeah. I used to take on the road or what?
Oh yeah, no, it's plated to go. Give her.
This is unbelievable.
This is cool. This is really cool.
This is ridiculous. I love it.
You're so, like, you're a little ball. As we crash it.
He says he hasn't broken it yet, so I think anybody can. This is ridiculous. Yeah, we'll take this unpowered too. I'm sure he let us borrow it. Steve will fit across our laps.
Yeah. Well, this is like perfect height, like size for me. I fit in quite comfortably. Not so much you.
It's wicked. It is tight though. The brake is a little nuts here. Hot rods are cool. He built this thing in like a month, it felt like, or maybe even less. I don't even know what he did on YouTube. Like,
Really?
you guys gotta go check it out. Give him some love.
Half-ass customs.
And all you gotta do is show up. This is literally the second time I met him. He's let me take his car. So, how hard can it be, right? It is nuts. I'm driving a brand new truck to this. I feel like just driving like a monkey or something like that.
You are a little bit.
It's actually kind of comfy. Like,
I'm quite comfortable, I'm not gonna lie.
like it's definitely, if it was like a panic stop situation, I'd be a little worried, but otherwise it's cool.
We'll just leave him the new truck and we'll go home
Yeah.
now.
We're good. I don't know what way we I love this thing.
It suits you, you look good in it.
Just super simple. Like, you put his own little defrost in here, like it just works, you know? Like,
Turnkey.
speedometer, all the gauges work. It's got some sort of stereo in it, obviously. Like, you finish the stuff way better than I do. Windshield pops out, it's got a wiper and everything.
Got a good little setup out here.
He's got his work parking pass, so you know he actually drives it in here.
I like the insulation. You lose a lot of heat in the neck.
I feel like we're running moonshine or something. You know, it's height isn't bad. It's actually width. I didn't think that would be the issue, and I guess how short it is.
You'd have to maintain a certain figure to remain in this vehicle.
Yeah,
We might be at the max.
it's cool.
I really like this. Like I can get used to this.
It's been 12 minutes.
I
though,
know. But I like how like little it is. Like I don't feel tiny in it, you know? I feel like normal size, which is rare because in my car I feel very tiny.
It's so crazy. You know, I drive like not just Chevelle and the Nova and all. Like, this guy drives this
Yeah.
to work on the highway.
Yeah. Well, this takes daily driver to a whole new level.
It makes me feel like a woman.
Guys, achievement unlocked.
Yeah.
Yeah, good dude. So make sure you go give him a like and a follow at Half-Ass Customs and
Maybe plug our channel just once.
oh yeah. Also follow DD Speed Shop. Like, share, subscribe. We're pretty cool too, I guess.
The brake is crazy though. I got like if this had like a real steering wheel on it, we'd have an issue.
It would be nice to come home to like a little mini car show, like a car graveyard every day.
Oh, this is cool. Coming home to this, I could definitely dig. This thing's awesome, man. I love it. You want me to put it back in the garage or what? Just on the side? This guy just doesn't care. I love it.
Yeah, but you know what's weird is people are like, I have to do Mustang too. Got to do all this dumb shit because there's really nothing wrong with it, right? Like this is a stock, you know, like a Model A style front end.
It drove
It's
fine.
it's drum brakes.
It drove fine, stopped fine. There's no issues there. Like I
Yeah.
thought it.
Like that scares people. They don't think, but they handle like a go kart. I don't know. This one's.
I didn't think it was bad at all to drive. I dug it. I'll have to build one.
Yeah, I liked it. That was fun.
It was cool. Eh?
That was really fun.
It really, like, it felt. I don't know what you felt. It was like goofy. It was like a goofy car. It wasn't like. I mean, you drive the 55 or 57. Like it was like a regular car.
Yeah.
This is like something like it's like.
This was like a treat.
Yeah.
Like it was special.
I just used to old junk, so it's just normal.
It's just every day, man.
Let people experience it anyways. You don't know what it's like till you try something. This is cool, but the Roadster you definitely dig. Just
In the
it's-
summer, I'll have to come back.
It must have been fast in the day, but it is slow. It's, just, it's slow, and I don't know how they bang gears. They must have grinded a lot of gears in a day there, but
Well, hey,
yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'll see you next time there for sure.
Both of you need to plug your things.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I am Half-Ass Customs. Look that up, and it's Half-Ass Customs with a K.
We'll put a link or something on the bottom.
Yeah,
so
put a
everyone-
link.
Yeah, right here.
Some right here.
Real
I don't know
technical.
how to do cards yet, so I might have to whatever.
I'll show you.
All right, we're out of here. We gotta buy that motor.
Yeah, are you gonna plug your thing?
You got that. We did it in the truck. You're good.